Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Melvin Boy Barbie here, and today I'm actually coming to you guys with the review that I promised you guys that I was gonna do, and it was the real blood sugar versus the fake blood sugar. I saw the fake blood sugar when I purchased the fake jawbreaker. That'll be in my last video, and I'll make sure to include that in the link description box below. But yeah, let's just get right into this video. So swatch is an eye look. Hopefully I don't get an eye infection, but you know, this is just for educational purposes, so let's get right to it. Okay, the first thing that sticks out about this packaging is it's, you know, it's a fake when you see it. Okay, this is the real. You see how well built it is, you know, class and everything. Like it's a lot of thought put into this packaging. Like this one, the main reason that attracted me to actually buying the palette, just the way the package was set up, because I've never seen anything like it. And it's one of my favorite palettes over out of all my collection. It's one of my most requested palette that when I do somebody's makeup look that they ask for. But when they're going for like a red or burgundy look, I've used it in a couple of weddings and stuff like that and prom. But yeah, so this is what the real one looks like, and this is the fake that I got in there. Y'all see that? It's like, it's literally, it's made like a palette. It's not, they kind of, you know, missed the mark on this one. But what got me was how identical the inside of both of these look. Let me hold both of these up, but y'all see that? That's crazy. Like, then they even had the audacity to stamp the Jeffree Star logo on it. It's like, it's so crazy to me. And I don't know how fast they put out that jawbreaker, like shocked the hell out of me. But and when I was looking up on YouTube, like I was the only person that had a video out at the moment. So I said, let me go ahead and do this. Okay, you guys, I got y'all zoomed in on my face. Y'all can probably see my pores down the house, but let's just get it right into this eye look. I'm gonna just go ahead and prime my eye using the Jeffree Star concealer. What I have to say about this concealer is it looked at like really orange online, but in person it's actually it's a really good color. But I don't know what kind of color or lighting they use in the you know, campaign or whatever, but it looks flat orange online, and you know, his deeper skin tones online just look a little bit funky. But I got two of the shades to see if it's really orange down the house, but it's as you can see, it's really isn't orange at all. But I don't know what happened when, you know, he was taking his pictures or whatever. But yeah, so I'm gonna be doing the fake side on this eye and the real one on this eye. Like I do it, I'm just fast forward the video. I'm gonna just do the cut crease like I always do. That's my go-to look. I know y'all get sick of the cut crease look, but you know, this is what I'm used to. But yeah, I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna just explain the rundown. I'm gonna go in with the shade, probably with the shade Root Canal, then above my crease, then going to the shade Coma, then cut the crease, then I'm going to shade Blush Sugar and Sweetener. No, probably, yeah, Blush Sugar, Sweetener, and a little bit of Candy Floss to finish up the look. And again, this is the fake side and this is the real side. Now let's get into Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. How we're looking. As y'all can see by the video, the Jeffree Star outperformed the fake by far. Like it's I don't know, it's crazy. When I put the lashes, I mean the look doesn't look bad, but you know, I still I wouldn't even, I wouldn't even use this on anybody, to be honest, because I don't know what's in it. I just did this just for the purpose of the video. But yeah, this is why I'm absolutely in love with the Blood Sugar palette. I mean, it's one of my favorite palettes today. I wasn't really here for the Blue Blood, but the Blood Sugar and the Jawbreaker, it's kind of growing up. The Jawbreaker's growing on me, but the Blue Blood, it's really good. Also, I want to show you guys the highlighter. I said this the other day to my friend. I said, I wish Fenty made highlighter of her How Many Carats Diamond Bomb highlighter. That's like I don't know, hands down, like it's something about the highlighter, but I like the way it goes on like a sheer, but just a shimmer. And literally Jeffree Star came out with the Caramel Kiss highlighter, and literally I feel like that's like the black girl friendly version of what the Diamond Bomb highlighter is. And I'm gonna show you what I mean by that. I'm gonna swatch it right here. I still got all these swatches on me, but I'm gonna swatch it right here. Like literally, it's very iridescent, but it's just a highlight. It's not nothing like his other highlights, and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Okay, his other highlight I have is Dark Horse. This used to be my favorite highlighter, but now since he came out with the Caramel Kiss, this is hands down my favorite highlight. But the Dark Horse, and this is a really good pen. Like I barely even touched this, but I'm gonna swatch this and show you guys what I'm talking about. And it's crazy because this highlight, it leaves that, like I've noticed it now since we're coming out with newer things, and I guess we was just going with the trend, highlighter was coming out and stuff like that. But I'm gonna put this on my face and let you guys see how it looks, and it's really beautiful. See what I'm talking about? Like, it's really, really beautiful. Like, it just lays on top of the skin. It's like an iridescent glow, and I like that. I'm here for it. But yeah, also this lashes and lipstick, of course, is by my girl Luscious Legs. I'll make sure to include her Instagram handle below. And this video is not sponsored, so I'm getting whatever you guys how many views, and I'm still not even up to that. I can't put AdSense and stuff like that. So if you guys could subscribe and support me, that would be grateful. And the next look I'm gonna do, I'm probably gonna try to use the Jackie Iron palette a little bit more, and the Life's a Drag palette. Like I want to use more of like the YouTubers palettes a little bit more. But yeah, all right, kiss to my bitches, and I'll catch you guys later.